BluArmor activated.
Greetings riders. In this video, we will show you how to set up and use the speed dial feature on your BluArmor C10. With speed dial, you can instantly call your favorite contacts using the buttons on your C10 without reaching for your phone, making your ride smarter and safer. Let's get started. Step 1 is to set up speed dial. First, turn on your BluArmor C10 and make sure it is paired with your phone. Open the BluArmor app and wait for it to connect. Now, inside the app, tap on Settings in the top right corner, find and tap on Speed Dial. If you're opening this for the first time, especially on Android devices, you may be asked for contact permissions. Tap Allow to proceed. On the Speed Dial page, tap Add Contact. Search and select the contact you want. You can add up to 5 contacts for Speed Dial. Step 2. Using Speed Dial. On your C10 device, press the top and bottom buttons together twice. You'll hear the prompt, speed dial followed by redial.
Speed dial, redial.
Redial is the first option. Press the center button once to call the last dial number. Use the top or bottom buttons to scroll through your saved speed dial contacts. When you reach the desired contact, press the center button to place the call. And that's it. You now know how to set up and use speed dial on your BluArmor C10 so you can stay connected safely while riding.